The String of Creation, A Tale of Science and Divinity. The room was dimly lit, save for the soft glow of a holographic display suspended in the air drawer. Aryan Verma, a theoretical physicist, adjusted his glasses and stared at the mathematical equations swirling before him. String theory, the framework that suggested every particle in the universe was a vibrating string, was his obsession. For years, he had sought the elusive theory of everything, a single equation that could unify the forces of nature. Yet, he was stuck, the pieces refusing to fit. Across the room, a faint shimmer caught his eye. Aryan frowned. Was it his sleep-deprived mind playing tricks on him? As he approached, the shimmer solidified into a glowing thread, pulsating with energy. Tentatively, he reached out, and as his fingers brushed against it, his lab disappeared, a journey beyond the veil. Aryan found himself in an infinite expanse of light and sound, the fabric of reality vibrating around him. He wasn't alone. A figure emerged, radiating a serene energy that felt ancient yet familiar. The figure's form shifted constantly. Human, celestial, and something indescribable. "Who are you?" Aryan managed to whisper, his voice trembling. "I am the keeper of the strings," the being replied, its voice resonating like a symphony. "You have sought the truth of the universe, Aryan. Now, you will see it." Before Aryan could respond, the keeper waved a hand, and threads of light unraveled before him. Each string vibrated at a unique frequency, weaving together in intricate patterns. "These are the strings of creation," the keeper explained. "Each vibration shapes a particle, a force, a reality together. They form the symphony of existence." Aryan's scientific mind raced to keep up. The threads weren't just theoretical constructs. They were real, tangible, alive. But what powers them? What sets them vibrating? He asked. The keeper's form shifted, its face taking on a knowing smile. "You call it energy, others call it God. It is both and neither. The strings vibrate because the universe wills it. So creation is not random, it is a dance of logic and intent. The dark side of creation." The serene scene shifted suddenly. Aryan was plunged into darkness, the harmonious strings replaced by chaotic, frayed threads. "What is this?" he gasped. "The shadow of creation," the keeper said grimly. "Not all vibrations are harmonious. Some disrupt, distort, destroy. These frayed strings are the source of entropy, conflict, and imbalance. They are the counterforce to creation, a necessary part of the cosmic equation." Aryan's chest tightened. "But why? Why would the universe allow destruction?" "To understand creation, one must understand contrast," the keeper replied. The frayed strings challenge the harmonious ones, ensuring evolution, growth, and balance. Without chaos, there is no order. Without destruction, no renewal. The choice. The keeper turned to Aryan, its gaze piercing. "You have glimpsed the truth, but now you must decide. Will you use this knowledge to unite, to bring harmony to your world? Or will you let the frayed strings tear it apart?" Aryan felt a surge of responsibility. He saw humanity's wars, greed, and division as echoes of the frayed strings, their vibrations disrupting the harmony of existence. But he also saw hope, a chance to retune the strings of reality. "How can I make a difference?" he asked, his voice steady despite the weight of the question. The keeper extended a thread of light, its vibration steady and pure. "Every thought, every action sends ripples through the strings. Align your intent with harmony, and you will inspire others to do the same. Together, you can retune your world, the return." In a flash, Aryan was back in his lab, the glowing thread still pulsating in his hand. He looked at his equations, once an unsolvable puzzle, now a map of infinite possibilities. String theory wasn't just science. It was a bridge between logic and divinity, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. From that day forward, Aryan dedicated his life not just to understanding the universe, but to healing it. He shared his knowledge, blending science with spirituality, and inspired a movement that sought harmony in every aspect of life. The strings of creation vibrated with renewed energy, their symphony echoing through the cosmos, and Aryan, the seeker of truth, became their conductor.